Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about jobs. So job mantra for all those who are seeking jobs is very crucial in these time periods, and 2020 we have seen that there is a loss of job or recession coming in a lot of places. There is money going down for many of you, and you need not worry about losing your job. There are good tips and tricks available to follow and keep searching for your dream job. You always have to be strong, feel yourself motivated, and pick up yourself so that you can support others and your family members especially, and also take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is important. Being positive, being hopeful is important. Spiritually said, we need to be in that gratitude moment and realize our potential and say thank you to the divine spirits and guides, and even practice daily affirmations that will help. So you can say that I can see myself in this dream job, and I'm already loving it and I'm thankful for it, and that will happen for you. So whenever you get up in the morning, see yourself in the mirror, say to yourself, there's a beautiful rainbow out there and all those dreams are going to be successful for me. So with baby steps you will achieve your goals. Keep your courage high and move towards your goals. What are the basic advice and tips and tricks to follow for seeking job? Firstly, always make as many IDs as possible on all the job portals available, be it Naukri.com, Shine.com, and even on LinkedIn. Update your profile. Your CV should be very much updated, full of details, and also should be according to the job that you're going for, and it should represent what your skills are, what all education you've done, and all your past experience. But that CV should be according to the job you are applying, and also it should give a brief synopsis of your strengths and weaknesses. Always mention everything in detail and to the point, but in short summaries. And a tabular form with little graphical inputs would always be much appreciated, with your photograph and your personal details, home address and where you live, your education background, your certifications. During this lockdown time period, a lot of people have utilized their time to build up their skills. So if you have not done it till now, go for it. Go for new certifications and new courses and enhance your skills. Also, few people who have money issues, you can go for contract jobs or jobs online and do small jobs to at least pay your bills and take care of family and yourself. With all that said, doing daily exercise and drinking a lot of water will always help you. Similarly, coming now to the industry type that you're looking work for. Let's say for example you're an artist. So always do something which is close to your heart, which is your passion, and then you will never feel overburdened. Whatever you love, do that. Find something maybe creative and open your own work if possible, if you have the finances available. Maybe go ahead and start a YouTube channel that will help you to promote the same thing, or a Facebook page and an Instagram page. So with that, there are so many online free educational videos available now that you can upgrade yourself and be up to the mark. So all that tips I hope will help you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.